Good morning. It's a new trail day. So I'm here at the most touristy, I don't even know a word, touristy place in Colorado Springs. So check it out. I'm at Garden of the Gods. So the plan today is to ride my skateboard, do the quick loop, and take some single track on my mountain bike. Man, the paved road here is utterly smooth. It's nice. So what makes Garden of the Gods so special are the sandstone rock formations all over the park. Woo! Yeah. Oh, this is so much fun. So if you own a road bike, it's a good place to ride. Pretty much finished the loop here. I'm about to grab my bike and do some riding. Oh, it's a busy day today. All right, finally on the bike. Let's find some single track. Let's warm up with Galloway-Homestead Trail. Let's check this out. Thank you so much, appreciate it. I'm alone. Have a good day. You know what? That wasn't a bad warm-up. Okay, here's another climb. So I'm gonna try out this other side of the trail. Since there's more downhill going this direction, I'll give it a try. Whoa. All right, check that out. All right, I'm gonna session this. There we go. There we go. Nice. Okay, pretty nice. Get some chunk. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Try to turn. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Nice. You know what? That blue trail wasn't too bad. It wasn't a crazy downhill, but you had some fun parts in it. But if you're new to the mountain biking scene and get a little taste of mountain biking, it's a good place to go. There's great scenery here. There's a visitor center with exhibits, a nice cafe overlooking Garden of the Gods. But overall, it was a good experience. I hope you enjoyed the short video, and please subscribe if you want to keep up with all the new trail days and other trails in Colorado. Thanks for watching. Hey, guess where I am? Let's go.